Have you ever wondered why everyone is talking so much about data these days? Let me tell you the reason. Data is the single most important ingredient of the decision-making process. When you have access to data, then your chances of taking the right decision just increases, and it can make you a better decision maker, which will eventually make you a successful person also. In case of businesses where decisions might involve billions of dollars of cash, it really makes sense for companies to look out for data so that they can enhance their chances of taking the right decision and making a lot of money. Because of that, since the old times, people have always tried different methods to collect information which can get them an edge over their competition. But in the past, data collection was not an easy task, because in those days when we talked about data, it usually meant a lot of paper documents. But thanks to technology, things are not like that now. Because most of the businesses are nowadays using digital devices, data has suddenly become more easier to collect and more easier to generate. Let me show you some numbers on this. All the data that was created since inception of the world till 2005 was 130 exabytes. And when I say all data, it means everything that has been ever spoken by people, everything that has been ever written by people, every book that is published, everything that has been communicated ever. And this is a huge amount of data. If you're wondering what is exabyte, 1 exabyte is equal to 1 billion GB. Just to give you an idea of how big that is, all the words that are ever spoken by human beings, if you convert it into an MP3, the size of that MP3 is going to be just 5 exabytes. Now till 2005, just like I said, the amount of data that was generated was 130 exabytes. The same number became 1200 in the year 2010. That means in the 5 years from 2005 till 2010, we generated almost 10 times as much data as was generated from the time this universe was created. And in the next 5 years till 2015, this number became 7,900. And based on this, we can project that by 2020, this number is going to be 40,900 exabytes of data. It is an official study published by IDC, so you can have an idea about how much of data is getting generated every moment. And like I said, this data is just priceless for the companies, and that is the reason why they're spending a lot of money to create new technologies we can collect and analyze data for them. And because of it, the companies have now a huge amount of data irrespective of whichever function or whichever sector you're talking about. And that's why companies nowadays prefer individuals who can interpret and present data. I'm sure you now understand why everyone is so excited about data and why everyone wants to learn. And definitely, you also should be aware of all these 4 things about data. These 4 things combined together is what is called as statistics. And when we discuss the statistical tools which are useful to businesses, that can be called as business statistics. And this is one single subject which every professional should know. So you have come to the right place. I have created this course called as Business Statistics Fundamentals, where I have put together all the concepts of statistics that you need to know if you are working for a business, or if you are running your own business, or if you are a student of business management. We're going to talk a lot of things in this course, starting from descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, probability, index numbers, statistical quality control, graphical representations, and things like that.